3 ways to make your own protein powder, and save money. Protein powder is great because adding chicken breast or raw eggs to your smoothie would be, awful. But buying the stuff can be a long, confusing process. First, there's finding one that meets your nutritional needs. I need one with this much protein but only this many calories. Then, there's making sure it doesn't contain any sketchy additives. Carrageenan? No thanks. Oh, and you have to actually like the way it tastes. Funky, chalk-like powders are out. Protein powder isn't just for smoothies. Check out these 9 creative ways to cook with the stuff. Of course, you could spend hours researching and taste testing different powders, dropping tons of cash in the process. Or, you could just make your own. Yes, really. Chances are, homemade protein powder has never even crossed your mind. But you probably have most of the ingredients on hand already, like hemp and chia seeds, almond meal, nonfat dry milk powder, or rolled oats. And it's crazy easy to make. All you have to do is grind or process the ingredients until smooth, mix to combine, and store them in a jar. Best of all, there's a recipe out there no matter what your dietary preferences. Here's how to make plant-based, dairy-based, and a mind-blowing green protein powder. Plant-based protein powder? Sure, you could shell out big bucks to buy a pricey plant-based protein blend. Or, you could make your own using simple ingredients like chia seeds, hemp hearts, and almond meal, like fork and beans. Just grind the seeds in a spice grinder to achieve a powdery consistency, and add maca powder for natural sweetness. Want a chocolate powder? Just stir in some carob. Dairy-based protein powder? Prefer a dairy-based protein powder? You can whip that up at home, too, and it's cheap. Teaspoon of spice mixes non-fat dry milk with bulk bin staples like rolled oats, ground in a blender or food processor, and almond meal, which act as natural thickeners. The result is a simple, satisfying protein powder that serves up 10 grams of protein per serving. Genius, right? 2-ingredient green protein powder, collagen hydrolysate can promote more youthful skin, ease gastrointestinal distress, and soothe sore joints. But guess what? It's also a concentrated source of protein. And when you combine it with your favorite green superfood powder, you get a protein powder that packs a serious nutritional punch, says Back to the Book Nutrition.